What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, I'm in at this store, yeah? So me I do some shopping where Eunice no know nothing about. So what me do now, me come in here and me go surprise her. Me go buy some things for her but she don't know nothing about. So hear what me do now. This morning, last night to this morning, me da talk to her about something. So what me like to do now, me like to talk to her about it and hear her views towards it first. So as soon as she tell me her views, me add up it and then me say, alright, that me go buy. So what we go do now is me go purchase some I think some underwear, laundry for her, because when I check it out, me can't buy clothes for her because she deal with clothes different. So when me check out it, me I say, because me can't buy clothes for her because she pick and choose her clothing different. So when me say me I go do now, me I go get some lingerie, meaning some underwear and them kind of things for her. So we are go over the underwear part and see what over there for, you know. Them wanna look too bad. So each $10 each. So me go look on them and me have to make sure them look. We can't make them two look a certain way and else we cuss. So guys, this is me work for today. Alright. So me I look upon them and make sure, yeah man, me know the size. Me know I go ask if me know the size. Yeah, me know the size. Yeah man, me know the size them. Yeah man. But you know one thing me don't understand? Some of them say extra large, but then you have 8. So that number thing now, me don't understand the number thing. Brother, me need help, but me can't ask no help from her. Guys, I think me I do good enough. Yeah man, I think me I do good. So I think me want one more. Just one more. I don't know if me on the right track, but yeah, I think me want one more. The only thing is, guys, guess what? I do not understand why it says extra large 8. But you know, me I go carry them, and then if she feel like she know like it, she knows part the place there. Guys, me say if she feel like she don't like it, she know where place there. What are them money on my face eh? Extra large 8. Yeah, enough of them they on sale too, so. Alright now guys, so I think me done. I think me do a good job. I think me do a good job, so me I go to the cashier, you know. And yeah, me I go to the cashier, but you know what? Me need to go on my side, go see if me can get some for me too. Yeah man, go see if me can get some for me too. That's kid side. I go up on the man side, guys, go see. That's a small shopping. Me depend. You know. Guys, you know, see the man upstairs. I think the man upstairs, you know, so I have to go upstairs, go look. See if them have no seal up there. Yeah, guys, so I'll check, see if them have nothing up there for the man side. I think the man side upstairs, so I'll check it out and see what we can find for me, for myself. Not really I look nothing much still, but you just want to try to find. You have a big shack of whole heap of things in there. You know, so I'll go over this side, I go see what kind of underwear them have over here for man. Guys, even though this is, you see them things where people name boxer? No, me not wear boxers. Nope, I do not wear them. Yeah, me a big man, me wear brief underwear. Yeah, no wear boxers. You need your prostate to stay in place. You need it to stay in place so that the blood can flow properly. Them say you must wear something where free up everything, but it allow it to be weak, the neck of it. The root, what we call the root, is weak. You need something to keep that root together. You don't need anything to be swinging all over the place. Nope. Young guys, stop. Wear this boxer. Wear something that keep your body intact. You know, guys, I do not see the ones that I really like to wear in here. So I will have to go to the place where I normally get mines. So right now, my part of shopping is over. So I'm going back downstairs to cash out and leave out. Hopefully I make a good shopping. That's enough. She not carry them back. Guys, you know, you have to have fun with life, yeah? You have to have fun with life. Life is what you make of it. You cannot just sit down and puff up your face every day. You know? Yeah, you can't do it that way there. So I go down on this excavator, yeah? And then go cash out and take it. So and guys, they have a whole heap of perfume in it, you know. Whole heap of perfume. Expensive, cheap, you know. Cashier, they're full up. Guys, a young man just looking at me and a while ago and see underwear, they mean look for me. He must have said, wait, why you have those in his hand? But young man, that's how it goes. guys, so inside the store, the prices on the paper, it's saying they are on sale. Original price $14 for one, but they're on sale for 10. Yes, so she gone to look. Where do I say go? See there, guys, nice colognes. Me a cologne freak, you know, guys, so I just love to buy. I have all of these. Yeah, those. I need some new ones, but I don't know nothing about this one. I go check it. So yes, guys, I get some things. So now I'm heading out. I mean, I tell you guys, the sun hot. Yeah, man, the sun hot out there. See there, guys? Sun hot. Yeah, man, the sun screamingly hot out there. But you don't know, at Jamaica we born and grow. Jamaica we come from. I'm black like a tar. Yeah, man, so guys, that's what me I talk about. You know, just content. Content can be made out of anything. Yeah, man. So come we do the thing, man. Come we do the thing and stop the bad living, man. Come we do the thing and stop the bad living. You know, we want to stop it, man. Cut it out. You know, we have content can make. If we are go shopping, if we are go buy something, no matter where we are go do, that's a content. All right, guys. Me dey know so me go. Me head home now. Me go carry on with me. Yes, guys. So that was a small little shopping. Yeah, man. Small little shopping for the lady. And you don't know. Yeah, man. A small little shopping for the lady. She don't even know nothing about it still, you know. Yeah, she don't know nothing about it. Guys, you know, I wonder if me feel get something to eat. Guys, I listen me good now. Me I try to stop eat junk food. Yeah, man, me I try to stop eat junk food. So, me don't know if me go buy nothing to eat because all of them food are junk food, and me I try to cut out this whole heap of junk food, you know. Yeah, so I'm not sure if me I go buy nothing to eat. I think what me I eat nowadays is just fruits and smoothie and water and all them kind of things. So me I go head home now and do the thing, you know. Come on, vehicle, go. Get the pan green. Guys, what wrong with them people, man? It sign said green. And you did that stuck. Yes, guys. You don't know. So a small little shopping. And guys, listen me good now. I go in at the place. And guess what happened? Guys, them have a sign say if you buy 5 of the thing, you get it for $10. I never read the sign right. Guys, when me look, me I'm gonna see the $10 upon it and the 7. But I never read exactly what it said. That simple mean when you go out and go nowhere, read what the thing say. Don't just believe what you think he say. Yeah, man. Don't just believe what you think he say. But guys, you don't know. Me there and at home time you know, so me I head home and me soon in our next video. Yeah, man. Me soon in our next video. And remember, guys, we have a life to live. And we have to live the life we live and love the life we live, because we only live once. I don't know about you, are you. But me know we only live one time, not two, not three, one time. So I believe we make use of the one time we are living. So me I say, alright. So guys, until we soon again, stay blessed.